Guys, ito yung P3. So dito naman walking therapy. So di-develop ko yung kanyang mga muscles and lower limb sa in preparation for his walking. So watch niyo po till the end ng aking P3 for this whole week, Wednesday. God bless po. Watch niyo po till the end. Push. Step. 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 Yan. So, kanina po nakapat na kami. Ngayon, dalawa. So, 6 na. Apat na lang. 10. Step. Sige na. 1, 3, push. Okay. Thank you, Lord. Ayan. Thank you, Lord. Salamat po, Diyos ko. Ayan. Ibig na ng kanyang lower limb. Ayan. Natanggal ng konti yan. I-step niya. Nakalakad na siya. So, guys, konting-konti na lang ito si Kuya Marciano. Ayan. Isa lang, ha? Kaya mo na. Isa lang. Ready? O, step. Isa lang. Kaya natin yan. Pusin natin laban. Wala. So guys, yun na. Pagod na si Kuya Marciano. Happy Holy Week po. Ngayon po ay Holy Wednesday. So God bless po. Ngayon po ang verse sa Bible. Yung aking favorite verse, yung Proverbs 5 and 6. Trust in the Lord with all your heart and do not lean on your own understanding. In all your ways, acknowledge Him and He shall direct your path. Tsaka yung Luke 6:37. Do not judge and God will not judge you. Do not condemn and God will not condemn you. Forgive and you shall be forgiven. And then Mark 11:22. Have faith in God. Mark 11:24. Whatever you ask Him for, He will give you to receive. And John 46. Jesus said, I am the way, the truth, and the life, that no one comes to the Father except through me. And John 2:16. So God loved the world that He gave His only begotten Son, and those who believe in Him shall not perish and have an everlasting life. Pag nilay-nilayin po natin ang Holy Week. So God bless po. And keep safe, everybody. And please subscribe, like, and share my YouTube channel. Moderno Mang Kepeng.